Hi, I'm Mark, and today we're milling up a chestnut tree. And this is the butt end, and it has a dark center, similar to hickory, almost chocolate looking. Well, let's get it sliced open. See the pretty wood. Well, we get it rotated and cut a few more times, and we're just getting one mantle at it. We appreciate y'all watching.